Okay, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free Aweber account. You're going to use Aweber to collect email addresses of your customers so that you can email them later on with other offers. Your first step is to fill in the form with your first name, last name, email address, and then click the Start Growing Today button. Okay, the screen is showing that they're creating your account, so you just wait for it to finish. Once you've created your account, you need to go to your email address and click the confirmation button. Now, I've already done this, so I don't need to do it again. But go to your email address and click the confirmation button. Aweber will tell you where to go from there.